Imagine onboarding new employees with a single video, clear, professional, and completely powered by AI. No long hours of filming, no expensive production. In this video, I'll show you how to create a high-impact training video using HitPaw Edimakor. This tool makes your content not only informative, but also enjoyable for your team to watch. Step 1. Start your project. Open HitPaw Edimakor. Grab the link in the description if you haven't downloaded it yet. Click New Project to start. Step 2. Use AI Avatar in Voiceover. On the left sidebar, click AI Avatar. Here's where the magic happens. You can type in your training script, upload an audio file, or record your voice. I'll go with typing to keep things quick. Now choose a voice. HitPaw offers 40+ languages, different accents, and age variations.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Next, pick your avatar's appearance. You can even upload your face if you want. Once you're done, click Generate, and your AI presenter video will be ready in minutes. Step 3. Add text and background. Let's make the video visually appealing. Drag your AI avatar video onto the timeline. Then, under AI Tools, click Remove Background. The background will be cleared instantly. Now go to Media. Select background from the left and choose one that matches your style. Drag it onto the timeline beneath your avatar clip. HitPaw provides a range of text styles. Choose the one that best fits your message. Enter your text and adjust its timing to match your video perfectly. Step 4. Add visual elements. Click on Elements on the left panel. To make your training video more engaging and easy to understand, add visual elements like icons, shapes, pointers, or charts. These help emphasize key points and simplify complex ideas. Step 5. Export your video. Once everything looks perfect, click Export. Choose your resolution, even up to 4K, and export your final video. It's now ready to be shared with your team.
Success starts with mindset. At HitPaw Company, we believe in collaboration, creativity, and taking ownership. This training is designed to help you grow, contribute, and thrive with us.
And that's how easily you can create a professional, AI-powered training video using HitPaw Edimakor. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart AI tutorials. See you in the next video.